walk ahead. There's lights in the car, so we can drive. There's trees. We can make this, and we can make circles. We can make anything. We can make anything. We connect with anything. This color I don't know. It's pink is I don't know. These as well. There's yellow, green, orange, blue, and pink. Open it. We're gonna make a big train track. Giant train track. This is the car. Yeah, I got some more here. We can use this. That's for the egg. This orange broken. It's broken. But we don't need that because that was broken. We need this. This is perfect. Hassan is. We got more of this. This is this. So we're gonna have some decorations on the side. Okay, now it's ginormous. We're gonna have some trees. These trees in the middle. One there, over here. One more there. We got these. I don't know, these are falling. Follow! These decorations are not good. Okay. Now, we're gonna just get this. Okay. And now we're gonna turn this on. We're gonna start it off.